Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. Associate. Associate. To be close to someone on a professional level. I associate with them. With them. They want to associate with me. See, they want to associate with me. How cool is that? I only associate with my friends. I only associate with my friends. Yeah. He always associates with his work colleagues after work. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I associate with the managers. I associate with the managers. Yeah. The managers want to associate with me since I want to associate with me since I something. Since I started the project, since I built the website, since I did this, did that. How cool is this? How cool is that? So he associates with them. He always associates with them. Yeah. Because they will help him learn and grow as a person. How cool is that? Yeah. So I associate. You associate. They associate. Yeah. I associate with him. You need to associate with me. With me. With me. Yeah. They associate together on a Friday night. Yeah. How cool is that? So he associates. It associates. She associates. Yeah, so it associates. It wants to associate with me. He wants to associate with her. He wants to associate with me. It wants to associate with me too. How cool is that? So, she has associated with the club for a while. Yeah, he associates with that club and membership. Yeah. How cool is that? He is associating with the executives. Yeah. He thinks by associating with them, he can improve his career. Hey, it's possible. Yeah. And don't associate with them. Yeah. You must not associate with them. They don't follow the rules. And they'll drag you down in life. Yeah, you won't achieve and succeed in life. Yeah, bad association. They are bad association. Yeah, no, thank you. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, I associate, you associate, they associate, he associates, it associates, she associates. Yeah. So associate. Now, can you use associate in a sentence? Yeah. Comment below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.